Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you this easy recipe for my take on strawberry shortcake. You can make it even easier with some store-bought ingredients, and you'll have a dessert that everyone will love. Start with about 1 to 1.5 pounds of strawberries. Get rid of the tops and cut them into quarters or more pieces if they're huge. If you've been enjoying my videos, click that like button so more people can see them. Also, I've noticed that about 97% of you watching my videos aren't subscribed, so click that subscribe button as well. It really helps the channel out a lot, and I thank you. The next thing we're going to do is called macerating. That's right. Get your cut strawberries into a bowl, pour in about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and optionally, a tablespoon of orange liqueur. You could use orange juice or lemon juice if you want to skip the alcohol, or you could just leave it out. Stir it all together, cover it up, and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Now, macerating is a good thing, but you want to make sure your door is locked because you don't want your mom walking in on you while you're macerating. Next, we're going to make some chantilly cream, which is the French culinary equivalent of sweetened whipped topping. You can totally use the store-bought topping if you don't have a stand mixer. Put 2 cups of heavy cream into the mixing bowl along with 2 tablespoons of sifted powdered sugar. Put your bowl and whip attachment in the freezer for an hour or so before you start. Cream whips better when everything is super cold. Spin it up on medium to high speed until it holds peaks, but don't over whip it. Cover it up and keep it cool. The base for my version of this is good old-fashioned plain pound cake. Now, if you have a sweet biscuit recipe, go ahead and use that. You can also use a store-bought pound cake or even those yellow sponge cake cup thingies. Do it however it's most convenient for you. Set a grill pan over medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. This step is optional, by the way. Get your slices of pound cake in there and cook for a couple of minutes on each side to get some marks on them. To put everything together, spread some of your whipped cream over each slice of cake. Spoon on some strawberries and don't waste any of that liquid that the sugar drew out. Garnish with some mint and you're ready to enjoy. And here is your fun summer strawberry shortcake dessert. Make it all homemade or use some store-bought ingredients to make it more convenient. Everyone is going to love this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments below if there's anything you'd like to see me make, and watch another one of my videos here.